Do you have the sneaking suspicion that a certain woman in your life loves you secretly? Or maybe she's extra friendly to you? Or maybe you feel she's dropping hints for you? She's giving you these little signs, but you're not sure they're signs. What should you do? Want to learn how to know if someone loves you secretly? As you'll learn in this video, you have a very tiny window of opportunity when a woman secretly loves you. If you grab the opportunity, then it could be the start of a fantastic relationship. Meanwhile, if you don't, she'll pretty much hate you forever. What a waste. So first things first, you must find out if she really has feelings for you. After all, she might just be friendly, right? And the easiest way to know her true feelings is to check her baseline deviations. What are those? You're about to find out. Before we get started, do take a quick moment to click the like button below. After you like this video, I'll tell you all about baseline deviations. They're your foolproof way of telling whether a woman secretly loves you or not. Ready to learn all about the baseline deviation theory? Then click the like button below and we'll get started immediately. Go ahead, I'll wait. Done? Excellent. So let me start by telling you what a baseline deviation is. Every woman has a baseline of behavior around other people. This is her default setting, so to speak. So let's say a woman is super friendly with you, but she's super friendly with every other guy, too. That means she's operating on her baseline, and it means she doesn't love you secretly. Oh well. Meanwhile, what if she's shy and reserved with other guys, but is super friendly with you? That's a baseline deviation. And yes, it's a sign she secretly likes you. It's the fastest way to know if someone loves you secretly. Here are a few common examples of baseline deviations to give you a better idea. For instance, she's quiet with other people but unusually chatty with you. Or even when she's nice to other guys, but she teases you a lot or is even rude to you. Or when she normally spends time alone, but she jumps at an opportunity to spend time with you. Now, here's what you absolutely must understand. A woman takes a huge risk when she hints her attraction to a man. Why? It's because society tends to look down on women who make the first move on a man. People tend to see women who are too forward as being easy or slutty. And if word got around a woman was easy or slutty, her chances of attracting a decent life partner goes down. That's why women avoid that kind of reputation damage at all costs. So when she takes that risk with you, and you ignore her or not pick up on her hints, she'll hate you. After all, she risked her reputation for you, and you rejected her for it. Yes, you rejected her, without even meaning to. Ever had a woman who seemed super hot for you one moment, then super cold the next? Now you know what happened. So here's some good advice. When a woman shows a baseline deviation with you, and if you like her too, act on it quickly. You likely won't get the same opportunity twice. And that brings us to the next question. Exactly how do you act on a baseline deviation? What exactly do you do when you like her too? First, here's what you should not do. You shouldn't directly tell her you like her too. Why not? Simple, because you are revealing that you saw right through her act. You're telling her you know she made the first move. And in a bid to protect herself from any reputation damage, she just might change her mind and reject you. Not good. So instead, you should indirectly show her that you share the same feelings. And the best way to do that is by using the water words technique. And I'll show you precisely how it works right after you click the subscribe button below. That's right, do take a moment to subscribe to this channel now. If you've learned something new in this video, then you'll love the other advice I got lined up for you. Sounds good? So go ahead and click subscribe now. We'll continue with the water words technique after you do, I promise. Are you done subscribing? Great. So let me tell you about water words. This technique was developed by Derek Rake, the San Diego, California-based dating coach. If his name sounds familiar, it's because he's pretty much the only dating coach who teaches mind control. This is different from most dating gurus who teach sleazy pickup artist tricks. Instead, Derek teaches his students to understand the female mind completely. The rationale is simple. When you understand how her mind works, then you can influence her feelings, and in turn, you can control her emotions. The water words technique is a great way of demonstrating this rationale. Here's why. One of the female mind's biggest quirks is this. It's helpless against emotional roller coasters. You've noticed, right? Women go crazy for emotional roller coasters. That's why they get so addicted to shopping, or gossip, or TV dramas, or erotic novels. It's all because of this quirk in their brains. Now imagine if you could make women feel that same kind of addiction to you. What would your life be like? You bet it would be awesome. Well, guess what? That's exactly what the water words technique does. When you use it on women, they start feeling addicted to you. Now imagine if you use it on a woman who secretly likes you. What do you think will happen? Without a doubt, she'll fall madly in love with you. She'll stop caring what other people think. She'll let you know how she feels, either by telling you or showing you. I can't imagine an easier way to start a hot relationship with a wonderful woman. Is that what you want for yourself, too? If it is, then master the water words technique. It's a fast, easy way to sugar that addiction feeling in women, with nothing more than the words you say. So how does the water words technique work? The idea is to put a woman on an emotional roller coaster with your conversations with her. Let's say you noticed a pretty coworker showing several baseline deviations with you. So one morning, you tell her, "Hey," and she replies, "Yes?" And you say, "I'm grabbing lunch. Come along?" If she secretly likes you, she'll quickly say yes. And then, at lunch, you put her on an emotional roller coaster. Since you want her to feel in love with you, you want to bounce her between two emotions. 1. First, you want her to feel in love, which is the emotional high. 2. And secondly, you want her to feel like you're friend-zoning her, which is the emotional low. For instance, first you talk about work-related topics, an emotional low. Then you change the topic and talk about each other. That's an emotional high. Then bring things low again by talking about your coworkers. Then you bring things high again by telling her what you think makes her special. Then you talk about another female coworker who flirted with you recently, another emotional low. And then you tell her you weren't interested in that coworker. Why? Simply because you're more interested in her. This is another emotional high. You get the idea, right? You steer the conversation in a 2 steps up, 1 step down, 2 steps up manner. Slowly, steadily, you make the interaction more and more romantic with time. Meanwhile, the addiction feelings start welling up inside her. Her attraction to you gets stronger and stronger. Then you tell her, "This was interesting. What do you say we do dinner too?" And then you invite her to dinner at your place. If you did everything correctly, she might stick around for breakfast too. See the power of the water words technique? The secret is in the emotional roller coaster. That's the key. If you don't roller coaster her enough, it won't be nearly as effective. On the other hand, if you master the art of roller coastering, you'll have absolutely no trouble with women. It's powerful enough to make women feel attracted to you even if they didn't secretly like you. It can even help you escape the friend zone, steal someone's girlfriend, and so on. It's all about the female mind's weakness to roller coasters, and if you want to make a woman happy, it's a weakness you should exploit. Want to master the art of roller coastering? Then here's what I'll do for you. In one moment, a link will show up in this video. When you see it, click on it. It'll take you to a special online masterclass on mind control. In that masterclass, Derek Rigg himself will get you up to speed. He'll teach you all about roller coastering and more. By the end of the masterclass, you'll be able to start putting women on roller coasters, and you'll start reaping the rewards soon, too. Ready to change your life forever? Then click on the link and join Derek's online masterclass now. Go ahead, click the link now.